This is a brand new 2013 GMC Sierra 1500. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 6.2-liter V8, and all-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include a limited slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: adjustable driver pedals, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, cruise control, a security system, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, halogen fog lights, privacy glass, an anti-lock braking system, a power passenger seat, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
Henry Brown Buick GMC is located at 1550 East Drivers Way in Gilbert. Family owned and operated, offering every customer a premier experience. Cars and trucks and trades are worth more at Henry Brown Car and Truck Store.